What I'll probably do is share with folks a whole bunch of images from what I've been creating. This is artwork, really. Ultimately, I'm an artist, a sculptor, and so I'll be sharing a lot of images from that, and hopefully stimulating thoughts and conversations about well, if that's in there, then I must be touching it. Whether I'm touching it on purpose or by accident is another question. If I'm going to touch it on purpose, what kind of an intention would I bring to it? If I'm going to touch it by accident, what might that mean? How might I be a little more cautious when I recognize the friggin' bowl of linguine in my neck that I didn't know was there, or elsewhere? I've spent a month on peripheral, cutaneous nerves, and that's really interesting. And how does that work? And that's just one little compartment of it, because then we've got, what's how are we raising our consciousness in relationship to the fact that this is within us, and how do we use that as a tool to become more whole people? Because who gives a crap about the meat? It's not about meat. It's about raising our vibration as human beings and being better people. I mean, if it's just about like meat manipulation, I'm already bored. So